Hey there, sweetness, how goes it? I do hope that it goes well. Daily theme of the day for the collective, all signs, all the homies. Do the tribe a favor, hit that like button, make sure you are a subscriber. Today we're keeping it sweet, simple, yet significant. Playing musical chairs around the shanty. We have a channeled song for the collective. And this is what's on the menu today. Perfect Storm by Brad Paisley. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. The perfect storm. Sunshine and rain. Until we speak again, my dears. Mwah.